siapkan di sini untuk kemudian menjadi
Thank you.
laporan nanti kepada prodi ke pimpinan di universitas insyaallah ayahanda.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Salatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. First of all, we would like to say in the name of supervisor, I myself Andi Asrifan, and then my partner, my brother, Dr. Haji Rustam Effendi. Say thank you to examiner and all the participants today who join us and exam for the examination of Miss Fitria. As a student in English department, and she will present her research proposal. The title of her research proposal is Social Linguistic Analysis of Taboo Words in Bugis Tribe. This is a case study at SD Negeri 1 Panca Rijam Panua in Kabupaten Sindang Rapang. So before we started her presentation, we would like to thank again to the head of English Education Department, Dr. Andi Sarapoto, for the time and then schedule us today. And then all the staff, I think the two staff of English Department are complete, come in our proposal today. So we have the limited time. Fitria, you have 15 minutes max, I think, for the first section to present your proposal. After that, we will directly please to the examiner, Bapak Dr. Andes Haji Tajuddin Posi, for at least maybe 10 or to 15 minutes. And then after that, the third section, we will please to Bapak Dr. Haji Rustam Effendi to give correction, suggestion in supporting your academic writing, right? And then after that, we will conclude. We will conclude the result, the final result of your presentation. Jadi ada beberapa tahap. Terima kasih banyak atas segala waktu yang diberikan untuk mengefisienkan waktu. Saya persilahkan atas nama Kaprodi kepada Fitria, mungkin maksimal 15 menit. Mudah-mudahan di sini ada 11 peserta yang alhamdulillah ikut. Sudah korup Kak Pendi ya. Sudah korup anunya di. Artinya sudah ada 11 orang. Oke. Silakan Fitria dipresentasikan di unmute dulu deh. Di ada yang kode mic itu, silakan di dulu.
Pak Andi.
Iya Pak Haji. Iya Pak Haji.
Suppose it is not necessary to appear by PowerPoint.
Oh yeah. So
It will be take so much time.
Oh yeah. It's depend.
I have the material.
Kalau Kak Pendi sudah ada presentasinya Kak? Sudah ada bahan ujiannya sama kita? Kak Pendi? Sudah ada anunya Kak Pendi?
Tidak ada suaranya Pak Fendi.
Halo? Mungkin tidak dengar. Halo?
Nggak dengar juga.
Kak Pendi?
Ada ini Pak. Ini.
Halo, Pak Pendi? Kak Pendi? Sudah ada Fitria sudah dikirimkan anunya, sudah dikirimkan filenya sama
Sudah,
Pak Pendi.
Sar. Sudah, Sar.
Oh, sudah. Oke. Sudah ada filenya Kak Pendi ya? File proposalnya Fitria sama kita.
Kenapa Pak Fendi?
Kak Pen? Kak Pen? Sudah. Halo Kak. Halo Kak Pen. Kak Pen. Oke, langsung saja mungkin Pak Haji, Pak Haji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Halo Fitria.
Yes, sir.
I have not examined, but I have read about your seminar proposal.
Yes, sir.
According to me, it is very good. But I would like to ask you something.
Yes, sir.
Sociolinguistic analysis of taboo word in business try in bracket study at UPT SD Negeri 1 Pancir 1 Jampanua. What about your proposal? Is it a research or only case study?
Yes, sir.
About your proposal, is it a research or case study only?
This is research.
Huh?
Research, sir.
Research.
Yes.
Is there any material case study of SD Negeri 1 Pancarian School? For the conclusion of case study or the material of case study at SD Negeri 1 Pancir Jampanua? Nothing?
Yes, sir.
Is there any material or conclusion about case study? It SD Negeri 1 Jampanua? Nothing?
Yes, sir.
Or, huh?
I think this is a proposal maybe, sir, and then the case study is kind of research. So that's mean that Fitria would be taking the data after maybe our suggestion and information in developing her academic writing.
Okay. Now, your seminar proposal only 30 page. I think it is better you complete it into minimum 40 page. Understand?
Yes,
Understand
sir.
what I mean?
Yeah,
Yes.
Fitria.
So you have to add at chapter 3 10 pages more, 10 page more.
Ya,
Understand?
Yes, sir.
dipaham Fitria? Oke.
Okay. Now, I would like to ask you, what is the aim of your... Can you tell me the aim of your research?
Yes, sir. Please repeat, sir.
What is the aim of your research? Can you tell me?
Apa tujuannya kira-kira? Kenapa kita memilih ini judul? Apa targetnya?
Yes, okay, thanks for the question. I chose the title a sociolinguistic analysis of taboo words in Baghdad State because I like it saya tertarik dengan sociolinguistic and Bugini Stride and I will to I will to know what kind of taboo words in Bugini Stride in a student.
Okay. Why do you interest to research about the taboo words for Buginese?
And Bugis tribe.
Yeah, Buginese type. Why do you interest? Is there anyone you want to say to the population, especially about Buginese tribe regency?
Okay, the taboo word is important for communication for a student. I know for a student the taboo words is not apa for importing to the student.
Why knowing the taboo word is important for student?
Yeah. What do you want to do for the students?
Yes, this taboo word is important for student because taboo word for student especially elementary school student is not tidak is not knowing taboo words apa tidak sesuai digunakan untuk for student taboo words in Bugini State tidak sesuai digunakan kepada
It's not
for
suitable.
student.
It's not suitable to use.
Yes.
Yeah.
Suitable.
Yeah, it's not suitable to use at school, but in society.
Student not siswa tidak mengetahui bahwa kata tabu itu.
In English, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. About your aim. Of the research, I have read on page 23. I think it is very good. So the aim of your research, it is very good on page 23. Bagus itu. And then I have read about your proposal. There are some taboo words. There are some taboo words, and there are something wrong about me, about the taboo word. You can see on page 15. On page 15, you can see on page 15.
Okay, the type of taboo word based on Battistella.
For example, yeah, about Battistella, I think it is the simple. For example, on page 16,
16.
yeah,
Okay.
especially about unpolite tabo. The latter is alright, but worry alright, but ini for the male ini. Jadi this wrong writing about the bujinis. Jadi la itu bukan istilahnya di belakangnya tandanya, tapi di atasnya itu. Baru la itu di atas itu tandanya, bukan di sampingnya. Baru sa itu ada titiknya di atasnya. Ya?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ya, itu koreksinya itu. There's something wrong.
Something wrong.
Maybe the next how many tribe Aborigines you know in South Sulawesi?
Yes, sir.
How many Aborigines tribe you know in South Sulawesi?
Beginning strike.
Pernah baca bukunya Fitri ya? Siapa namanya itu? Yang
Perlas.
ya Christian Perlas yang The Bugis.
Yes, sir.
Ada rujukan dipakai itu?
Ada, sir.
Saya rasa lengkap di situ. Kira-kira di dalam suku Bugis ini, pasti ada beberapa bagian ya. Bugis ini. Pertanyaannya tadi Pak Haji, kira-kira berapa di dalam suku Bugis ini? Dalam suku itu mungkin ada pembagian lagi, bisa mungkin dijelaskan.
According to you, you can see on page 19. According to you, there are seven ethnic Aborigines in South Sulawesi.
Okay.
It is consists of Luwu, Wajo, Ira, Salayat,
Okay.
Palaka, Sidendreng, dan Sawito.
Okay.
Ya, there are seven.
Yes, sir.
Itu menurut siapa itu? Menurut siapa itu, Fitri? Based on where did you find that statement?
Okay. Now on page 19, you have written all Pangadaran. Tulisannya itu Pangadaran itu kalau menurut according to business. Not pangah. Tidak ada n-nya itu. Pangadaran. Pangadakan. Iya, Pangadaran. Dari kata ada. Pangadaran. Saya kurang tahu apa ini bujinis term or Sawito or I don't know. But according to bujinis itu Pangadaran satu R-nya. Kemudian Pangadakan satu K-nya juga.
Pangadakan.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Pangadakan.
Understand what I mean?
Yes, sir. Pangadaran and
Yeah.
Pangadakan.
Anymore?
pengadaran.
The next. Because you take Batistilla theory, according to Batistella, it is consists of 4 types of tabu word. According to Batistella, ada 4 tipe kata-kata tabu itu, according to you. And the number of ethnies in South Sulawesi consists of 7 ethnies. So I would like you to complete your research. Every type of Bastilla theory consists of 1 tabu every tribe, or every tribe or every ethnic Aborigines. For instance, Sidendren, one tabu word. Selayar, 1 tabu word. And Makassar, for instance, 1 tabu word. So you can collect about 28 tabu words based on Bastilla theory. It is to complete your research. What do you think about it?
But sir, I use the tribe Sidendren Rapang.
No, because you research about the Bugis. Bugis in Sulawesi consists of 7. Andai kata Anda membatasi Sidendren Rapang saja in your research, it is not a problem. But I think it is very good you solve some of tabu word in order the student can understand. From Makassar, for instance, Kak Bulampe, itu
Yes sir.
sudah ada. Dari from Majene, from Selayar, from Tandutedong, for instance, So only one tabu word of one tribe. So based on Bastilla theory, you can only collect 28 tabu word. 7 kali 4, 28. Understand?
But I use 1 tribe sir.
What do you mean? Go on, please. Silent.
Yes sir. In my proposal, I not writing is Sidendren Rapang tribe. I use 1 tribe sir is Sidendren Rapang.
Ya. Tapi mengapa ada kata Sunda lah? It is Makassar tabu word. Sunda lah. I think it is depending on you. It is just my propose to complete your research. So you can see my messages about your research on saran dan perbaikan saran dan perbaikan. Wait a moment, please. Wait a moment.
Mungkin jaringannya Pak Pendi yang
Okay. There are something wrong about your what is special about page 20, page 23. One sentence before the last. Social language and social language is perbaiki itu bukan social linguistic with an social linguistic, kesalahan kecil.
And a social linguistic?
Huh?
And a social linguistic?
Yeah, something wrong about the writing.
yeah, you should check the grammatical error going forward.
Yeah. And then about your population and sample. So your population consists of 6 classes and 111 students, and your sample consists of 6 classes too, and you have the sample only for grade, 5th grade, and 6th grade. What about 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade? Bagaimana itu? What about it? What any sample do you have?
Yes, sir. I sample for 3 classes and 60 students.
Cluster, you use cluster random sampling technique. Ya, pakai cluster ya. That's why you get only the upgrade kelas-kelas tinggi, yaitu 56. You mean it's can mewakili yang semua kelas itu, can be a representative of all classes ya. Begitu maksud Anda. Ini random sampling technique. Cluster random sampling. Is it right? Benar itu. Cluster random sampling.
Yes, sir.
Cluster random sampling technique. Benar itu.
The researcher use cluster random sampling technique.
Yeah, you can check the theory. I think
The theory researcher uses.
Huh? I think it is
research.
not for me, but I would like you, if you has passed your final seminar, give me one copy of your research. Understand? if you have finished your study, keep one copy of your thesis.
What's up?
Yeah,
Insyaallah.
Kopi
but
apa, Sir?
I would like you ask to the student non develop the taboo word in class.
Ya,
It is unpolite.
ya rekomendasinya ini nanti ke depannya luar biasa Pak Haji. Artinya
Yeah,
sebagai
it is very good.
ya,
It is. I think it is the. It is. In fact, it is the material for pasca.
ya.
Yeah, very good. So don't forget
Thank you, sir.
one copy for me. And are you a teacher?
Sudah mengajar Fitri
Yes,
ya? Sudah mengajar Fitri ya?
Belum, Sir.
Tell to your family, especially who teach in
Elementary school?
yeah, in the second school.
Oh ya.
Not to develop about the taboo word. Yeah. Even though in society, because it is no good, especially about sex taboo. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Especially you have so about the tool of the women and the tool of the men. Yeah, it is no good to say at school. Understand? Even
Yes, sir.
your family, especially the girl. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Amin.
Your supervisor. Thank you.
Amin.
Sir.
Terima kasih banyak. Thank you so much for Yahanda, Dr. Andi Sajid Ajini Post MPD for your all correction and suggestion supporting this her academic writing. So in the history, jadi awalnya sebenarnya penelitian ini awalnya mahasiswa ini atas nama Fitria bingung Pak Haji. Bingung mau arah kemana. Hanya saja saya coba cari arahkan ke novelty-nya, ada kebaruan yang kemudian ini menjadi kegelisahan kita di mana anak-anak sekarang di SD mungkin karena kurang parental education kepada anaknya, sehingga rata-rata anak-anak itu ketika dia saling menyapa, ketika melakukan komunikasi terkhusus di sekolah, bahkan gurunya saja disapa, itu sudah tidak ada istilahnya akiade nah kalau bahasa tanda kutipnya Pak Haji. Itu masih observasi kasar, sehingga saya coba apalagi Pak Dr. Haji Rustam Effendi orang budaya juga. Saya yakin insya Allah akan banyak juga saran-saran masukan dari Pak Dr. Haji Rustam Effendi untuk terkait peningkatan dari academic writing ini untuk di proposalnya. Baik, for the next section, I invite my brother Dr. Haji Rustam Effendi MPD. Silakan Kanda. Belum ada kedengar. Oke.
Listen to me.
Sudah dengar Kak. Jelas.
Yes, sir. Bisa, sir. Yes, sir. Saya dengar.
Kabar
Alengi ini. Ya, Fitria itu.
Oke. Fitria ini satu, kalau menurut saya, gebrakan baru di bahasa Inggris karena Anda berani meneliti linguistik ya. Nah, biasanya kan kalau di pendidikan itu ranahnya ke pendidikan.
Iya.
Tapi saya melihat Anda berani memilih satu kajian linguistik ya, meskipun mungkin tak kurang di sana, tapi ya cukuplah keberanian Anda untuk memilih salah satu penelitian linguistik ya. Karena ini saya lihat pure linguistik
Ya, ya.
yang Anda teliti ya.
Berani karena orang sastra Ji pembimbing duanya kan dah.
Begini Fitria, karena Anda mengambil linguistik, ini kita harus buat di teori, ya.
Ya, ya, ya.
Yes, sir.
Jangan sampai hasil, karena ini ujian proposal, jadi saya berikan masukan tadi, jangan sampai hasil penelitian Anda itu hanya bersifat interpretasi Anda sendiri.
Ya, ya, ya.
Ya? Jadi betul
sir.
harus merujuk pada satu teori, ya, harus merujuk pada satu teori tentang bahasa tabu itu. Ini siapa dan hasilnya apa? Oke, Fitria?
Ya, ya, ya. Didengar Kak, didengar.
Putus-putus,
Oh,
sir.
didengar. Ya, jadi putus-putus. Ya, nanti direkam. Jadi di sini harus jelas Anda pakai teorinya siapa untuk menghasilkan apa. Jadi jangan sampai bahasa tabu yang Anda hasilkan nanti hanyalah merupakan interpretasi Anda pribadi, itu tidak boleh.
Ya.
Ya kan? Ya, Anda meneliti di kampung Anda sendiri atau di kampung lain.
Di mana meneliti Fitria? Di kampungnya orang atau kampung
Karena
tak?
siapa tahu kita merasa itu tabu, ternyata menurut orang tidak.
Ya.
Di Sidrap, sir.
Anda orang apa? Anda orang apa?
Orang Sidrap, sir.
Lalu ini enggak, sidrapnya kan, sidrap saya lihat juga macam-macam anunya, macam-macam dia. Bahasa Bugis tapi dialek yang berbeda, bukan logat ya, logat itu irama bahasa.
Iya, iya.
Dialek yang berbeda. Ada yang bilang uti, ada yang bilang loka. Nah, itu namanya bahasa Bugis yang dialek berbeda. Ya, jadi hindari interpretasi pribadi Anda sendiri, tapi Anda melakukan interpretasi berdasarkan teori rujukan.
Iya, iya.
Ya. Nah, dan saya pikir ini bagus.
Halo, sir.
Halo.
Nggak kedengaran suara Pak Fendi.
Low bandwidth RAM-nya.
Oh.
Ada saya lihat catatan di sini. Ada Kak? Ada.
Nanti
Ya.
perlu kita banyak sharing Fitria ya, supaya nanti hasil penelitian ini betul-betul fokus.
Iya.
Artinya setelah proposal ini, sebelum terjun ke penelitian, ke lapangan, kita harus ya, kita hanya nanti bisa berikan banyak masukan.
Ya.
Pak Andi.
Insyaallah. Makasih banyak ini Kak. Thank you so much. Oke, masih ada mungkin Kak tambahan sebelum my turn? Halo Kak Pendi. Kayak saya lihat sini, due to low bandwidth or local computer condition. Mungkin apa? Iya. Halo Kak Pen.
Nantilah kalau
Iya.
kita. Ya, halo.
Iya.
Ya.
Sudah selesai Kak?
Mm.
Oh iya. Makasih Kak atas saran dan anunya.
Nantilah dilanjutkan.
Insyaallah Kak. Iya. Siap Kak.
Pak Andi,
Iya Kak. Iya.
Karena
Pak
memang
Andi.
ini
Iya.
kemarin saya tidak terlalu baca proposalnya.
Oh iya.
Ya.
Pak Andi,
Iya. Silakan Pak Haji Tajuk.
ini,
Ada tambahan mungkin Pak?
Tambahan ya, tablet itu can be limited, tidak bisa dibatasi itu. So it is the language. But the important one at the end after the research, material research, especially about kesimpulan saran.
Iya.
Ya, perbaiki di situ kesimpulan sarannya.
Iya.
Jadi intinya itu the tablet not to be developed, untuk dikembangkan, tapi just sebagai pengetahuan only.
Iya.
Supaya kita tidak disoroti orang.
Iya.
Ya, jadi hanya sekedar ilmu untuk kita ketahui dan tidak untuk dikembangkan.
Iya.
So itu tidak batasa, kata dan kalimat itu tidak bisa dibatasi. Itu based on the society. I think that is all. Thank you very much.
Makasih banyak Pak Haji atas sarannya. Okay, thank you so much for the examiner and also my partner in as a supervisor, Bapak Dr. Haji Rustam Effendi, MPD, for all the supporting.
2020 telah dilaksanakan seminar proposal atas nama Fitria Prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris dengan nilai sebagai berikut: naskah usulan penelitian 94, penguasaan materi 90, cara presentasi 89, jadi total nilai yang diperoleh pada hari ini 91 atau dengan kata lain nilai A.
Alhamdulillah.
Congratulations.
Oke. Untuk semua, terima kasih banyak atas partisipasinya kepada seluruh staf dan juga pembimbing dan penguji. Juga Pak Sam, terima kasih banyak atas gabung di kami di ujian seminar proposal atas nama Fitria. Sampai ketemu di sesi berikutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.